How are you doing so well?
Finding the right amount of power is critical. And that also applies to your custom builds. If you're operating with high-end components, if you don't pick the right PSU, you too could end up sad and defeated.
Okay, I get the metaphor, but seriously, how are you so strong?
You never stood a real chance, buddy. What's up, y'all? It's Tori here, back with another episode of Unbox This. Today, we're going to be looking at the Segotep 1250 watt power supply unit. If you've started or are thinking of upgrading to new gen components like 40 series GPUs, 7000 series CPUs, or anything beefy, you're going to need a high power system to run the latest components. PCs are only getting more powerful, and that power normally comes at a higher price. But this Segotep PSU is a whole 1250 watt, and it's coming at you at a great price. Better bang for your buck. Plus, you won't have to worry about excessive noise. How exactly does it stay so quiet? Well, to show you, I'll probably have to unbox this. I'm excited for all this plastic. Oh yeah, let's peel it up. There we go. Okay, wow, I'm already impressed by this packaging. Okay, and our sweet little envelope. And here, it looks like we have our manual information. This must be our power supply. Ooh, it comes in a little bag. This is the big boy itself, the 1250 watt power supply unit. Oh, I actually thought this was gonna be super massive, but it's the normal size of a power supply unit. But dang, this one's gonna be beefy. And then in here is all of our cabling. Literally, how many cables are you gonna need? I promise you, this is gonna have you covered. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, like 15 cables in here. This is everything that you're gonna need already. We have all of our pins, all of our plugins. I'm excited to see more about this boy here. Let's start by going over why this power supply is important for any next generation build. You may see when researching your PC that your GPU or CPU has a TPG rating in the 300 watts range. However, those numbers are nowhere near the spikes that you can expect when you're using those components to their full capacity. So just like keeping a fancy car in the garage, if you bought a high-end CPU or GPU and plan on, using them, you're going to need to upgrade to something that handles the spikes expected with a high-end component, necessitating the need for an ATX 3.0 PSU like the one we have here. The beauty of an ATX 3.0 PSU is that if your GPU uses 120% of power on this PSU, it will maintain function for 100 microseconds. Compared to other non-ATX 3.0 PSUs, they'll just shut down to protect itself from power excursions. With ATX 3.0, this PSU can withstand small power excursions long enough so the PC won't shut down. The Segotep 1250 watt PSU gives you a full range of protections, including overvoltage protection, overload protection, over temperature protection, overpower protection, overcurrent protection, short circuit protection, and even voltage protection. If you were any more protected, you'd probably have to build like a moat around your PC or something, because this PSU can handle it all. This was designed with 140mm fans which rotate using 2 ball bearings, and 80 plus gold certified with 92% efficiency or higher. The fully modular ATX makes clean and tidy build upgrades easier, and its AI Cooler Smart Temperature Control Circuit gives you even more peace of mind that your build will be running just right. And now let's talk about quiet. We all know it's annoying when your build features loud and obnoxious fans, especially when you're doing things like streaming directly off the same PC you game with. Fret not, because this PSU operates at a virtually silent operation at low and medium loads. You can complete most tasks without hearing so much as a whisper from your build. So if you want to pick up one of these, sorry, if you want to pick up one of these for yourself, click the links in the description below to check them out on newegg.com. I'm Tori. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss our next episode.
How come I'm always the one moving the microphones?
Well, you can try unboxing if you...
No, never again.
They run in fear of me. Bye!